Check this out, guys. This is an Irvine truck, all electric. The tractor as well as the trailer. Everything's electric. Check it out, man. Little side steps on that thing. And it's all chromed out as well. It's all electric. Everything's electric. Maybe this is just a tractor. Just a tractor. Tractor's all electric. Check it out, man. Has it got batteries? Oh, look at that big ass battery in the back. Take all those fans. Check that out, guys. It's all electric. Nice paint job though. Pretty clean. Anyways, like what you see, please come back and subscribe. See ya!